Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In this new video, I'm going to be showing you how you can embed your PDF documents on your Elementor web page. Now, if you look at this page, you can see that we have this PDF document embedded. I've intentionally did it in this way so that you can see the two major ways that you can use to embed your PDF documents on your web page using Elementor. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you the two methods that you can use to embed your PDF document. The first one is embedding with the tooltip option, as well as the option for the user to download the document. And the second option is the bare-bone embedding without the option for the user to download the document. So I'll just go straight to the editor. We come to the page where we'd like to insert a PDF, and once you're on the page, the first thing is to add a container. So as to show you the two options side by side, I'm going to be adding a double container right there, and then from here we're going to click on the plus icon, and then we're going to add HTML, drag that in there, and then you can copy and also paste HTML and the second container. So once you have done that, the next thing is to copy the snippet. There's a different snippet for both options, so we're going to copy the snippets for both and have it inserted into the two boxes. So we come to a document here to copy the snippet. So here's the first snippet and here is the second one. We'll come back to our page. So we are going to impute the first one, and on the second container we impute the second one. Alright, so we have added both snippets now. The next thing is to upload a PDF to the media library so that we can have the link of the PDF. So for that, we are going to come to the dashboard, then go to media. So click on media library, then add new media. So the next thing is to select the file and have it added to your media library. So once the file is in media, you can click on the file, then copy the URL of the file, and then you can come back to your editing page. So if you look at this code, you'll see paste PDF URL here. So you're going to replace that text with the link, the PDF link, and then the PDF appears right here. So we're going to replicate that as well for the second snippet. You need to be meticulous when you're trying to do this so that you don't miss the text. So once I've pasted that in, we can go ahead and publish, or you can preview before you publish. Either way is just fine. So we scroll to the midsection where we've added a document, and you can see that both options have been added successfully. So it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you can embed your PDF on your Elementor web pages. I hope that's a useful one for you. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.